What's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out, so like if any zombie movies need like a zombie, y'all know who to call. I like do want to take it off, but I also kind of don't. Oh, I hate wax so much. Right, no, there's latex somewhere in there. There you go. Nice. I'm sorry. This is my new look. Going to work like this tomorrow. Get ready. Just kidding. I would get fired. Whoop. This should be nice. Never mind. Alright, there's a big piece right here. This is literally why I hate wax. It just does not come off. I will also be posting a tutorial on this look on my YouTube at some point. So check that out if you want. No pressure. Hi. I don't want to take my makeup off again. I look so good. I look so good. I don't want to take this off. I just want to stay a really cool goddess for the rest of my life. And can I get these, like, what if I use super glue? No, that's a bad idea. So I went to go change, and then I got really sad, and I ended up eating, and now my lipstick's off, but I guess that's a good first step. All the blood in this thing has dried by now. Well, there's no going back now. Not the glitters. Once again, no physical pain, just emotional. And you guys, have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, you guessed it, it is time to take this off again. This is the finale to my series of makeup inspired by popular brands, and this was Gucci. I'm definitely happy with how it turned out, but it's gotta go. If I pull here, the whole thing's just gonna... Oh, never mind. I am so excited to see again. I just gotta find an edge. Wait, I think I got one. Oh, it's so bright. And once again, there's blood in my teeth. One single lash. I took a shower and I'm clean now. Alright, you guys, it's time to take this off again, and I really don't want to because I really like this look. Send help. I'm living for the rhinestone lips, though. Can I take them off all at once? No. You know, I was hoping at least the removal would be satisfying, but no, there's no redemption for this look. I almost ate a rhinestone. You know what they say, when life gives you lemons, you make fashion. And eat rhinestones, apparently. I'm gonna cry. Okay, no kidding though, I had this wig on for literally the whole day and I don't remember what my natural hair looks like. I am really not happy about this, not happy at all, but oh well. I literally look like a clown right now. Who knew there was such a thin line between the runway and the circus? I am no longer high fashion, let's take off the wig. Oh boy. It's stuck. It's a sign. I don't need to take it off. It's so funny though, I hated the wig when I put it on, and then I fell in love with it. Okay, I low-key forgot how good my hair looks.
I can't take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't. Take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Yes, it's time to take this monstrosity off of my face. I can't wait. There's just so much going on here, I don't even know where to start. I want to take this massive snowflake off of my face. Ow! It only got a little bit of my hair, it's fine. Let's do a smile. That didn't hurt at all. Let's do the horn. Ooh. My neck is still covered with latex and I have no idea how to take it off. It's like in patches too. I can't even see it. Help. It's literally just pulling my neck off. I give up. Hopefully it comes off in the shower. Forgot that little piece there. It came off. Woo!
I gotta take this off quick. I have a new cleaning lady coming to check out my house. She's literally 2 minutes away. She's just coming to check out the house today and give me a quote on like how much it would cost. Just because I am not a clean and tidy person. I know, shocker. So I think a little bit of help would be good for me. Just like mopping the floors and stuff. I have to answer the door with this on my face. She's literally gonna quote me $1,000. There is not a dollar amount on earth that she would probably clean my house for if I look like this. I am like really struggling to get this off. Oh God. Neck reveal. Turn that frown upside down, mamas. Look, there's like an indent where the smile was. I already say that I was a noob from Roblox. If you don't know, now you know. Wipe that away. This is why I don't have a boyfriend. Ow. I look like I just came out the womb. My eyelashes are kind of cool. I'm gonna go wash my face and probably cry. Take off my makeup with me. Creeper edition. We need to do this quick. It is in fact 2 a.m. and I have to wake up at 6 for a call tomorrow. I painted this myself. Ready? This feels illegal. Here's the full fit. Look at the feet. And here we go. I've literally been working on this look since like 1 p.m. I went and bought the costume and the foam for the face, documented it in a YouTube video that you need to watch. Also, I went to the house from Good Luck Charlie. See? And I'm exhausted. I like haven't drank a glass of water in like 24 hours. And I'm like seeing things. But I didn't want to mess up the paint on my mouth. So I dehydrated myself. Are my eyebrows okay? Like, I don't think so. I'm gonna go shower and go to bed. Please pray for me. Appreciate ya. Get unready with me, Virgo edition. This look is so cute. I'm gonna get rid of the headband and the lei. Get these contacts out. Yeah. I'm gonna try and get these eyelashes off. There's one. Ow, ow, ow. There's two. Now I'm gonna rub some of this in. Goodbye, Mr. Butterfly. And Mrs. Butterfly. I'm gonna try and wipe this off. I look super cute now. Let's see if I can get that off. Oh my god! And the other side. Get these eyes off. I look like I have a 5 o'clock shadow. Thanks for watching. Get unready with me, skincare edition. Okay, let's get these lashes off and these contacts out. Now I'm gonna spray my makeup with some water. And I'm gonna apply this Cocoa Kind Oil to Milk Cleanser. So now I'm just gonna start rubbing that on. Get the forehead. Can't forget about the neck. Now I'm gonna go rinse this off. Now that that is all off, I'm gonna go in with the Cocoa Kind Texture Smoothing Cream. So I'm just putting some of this on. Now I'm going in with my Resurfacing Sleep Mask. Now I'm going in with the Revitalizing Eye Cream. I like this one a lot because you can apply it directly to the under eyes. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me. I gotta get this beautiful flower crown out in this veil. I'm literally living my Nicki Minaj fantasy with this wig. Take these contacts out. There's one. Oh, there's two. Get these gems off. These eyelashes are massive. This is so pretty, I don't want to take it off. Here we go. Oh, depression. Like seriously, please appreciate the detail on this neck. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This was SCP-106, also known as the Old Man. I used the gelatin life hack for this, and this is the weirdest thing I've had on my body, and I've had a lot of weird things. It's not coming out right. You know what I mean. I genuinely have no idea how to take this off. This is taking forever. Taking my contacts out? I've been wanting to yank this thing pretty much ever since I put it on. Let's do it. This stuff comes off so weirdly. Like, it's solid in some places. And then in the others, it's literal just gelatin. Anyways, let's do the smile. Oh, it's not too bad. I take that back. Can't stop there, though. I forgot about that part. Okay, we're almost there. I'll clean now. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Y'all already know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. Snatch that weave, baby. Ow, my earring fell off. I'm gonna go take my contacts off because I can't see. I can see now. Although this makeup is painted on except for the horn, so let's do that. So easy. Bye-bye. Oh, and I almost forgot the teeth. That's nice. Nice. Let's take my eyelashes off too. Wow. I swear to God, I don't look the same with no eyelashes on. Who is this? I'm just playing. I know I still look good. I'm gonna go wash all this off. I'll be right back. Ah, much better. If you didn't know, this makeup is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins. Yeah. The full tutorial will be in the link in my profile in case you guys want to know what products I used. Have a great day, y'all. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now.
Get unready with me, Ice Queen edition. Let me take the headband off. I literally sprayed my hair white. Take these contacts out. I can see. I feel like these are gonna be hard to get off. Oh gosh. This is literally hot glue that I made look like an icicle. Shouldn't hurt as bad on my forehead. Gem right there. Get this glitter off. Or not. I'm gonna go shower and get this out of my hair. Get unready with me, New Year's edition. This took me a hot minute to do, and I've had it on for literally like 10 seconds. Let's wipe off these beautiful, luscious, glittery lips. Oh. I'm gonna spray some of this. Oh, here goes the fireworks. Right eye. Left eye. This towel is amazing. Let's get rid of the forehead. Thanks for watching. I literally look like a bug that just got hit with a flash water, but I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. Well, I'm not actually wiping on makeup. I wiped off my makeup and put it in reverse. But if I could wipe on makeup like this, that'd be a pretty nifty skill. But anyways, I'm throwing this bad boy in reverse because y'all said that girls would give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on. Please. I'm begging you. Take off my makeup with me. I don't really know exactly what this is, but I feel like it looks cool. Let's get these lash boys off. I guess I'm just gonna start pulling this off. My eye is watering. I look very interesting right now. Let's try to wipe this off. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off.
Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna take my contacts off first because I can't see. Much better. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, this makeup look is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins. This is gluttony. I hope I said that right. Now for the good stuff. Lovely. I'm actually kind of proud of this one though. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'll be right back. And there we go. If you guys have questions about the products I used or just want to see the full tutorial, go ahead and click the link in my profile. Oh, and one more thing. Have a great day.